I don't think it gets much better than this. Good morning!
Good morning, we're finally in the sun.
Yeah.
And we have some awesome plans for today.
We're going to a factory and they might make yogurt or they might make cheese. Yeah, I'm hoping for cheese. They produce 1.5 million liters of milk. They make all kinds of products with it. Of course, milk products, cheese, and cheese soap, which is I've never ever seen that before, but it smells good.
Come on, cheese, yes!
That's how you get your cheese.
Oh ja, danke.
Okay, so Zillertaler Heumilch-Sennerei and infinity pool. I don't think it gets much better than this. Look at the view.